Making slang sound natural. Practice with natives. Hey there! So, you're diving deep into the fascinating world of slang and colloquialisms. Slang is the spice of any language, and what better way to master it than to practice with native speakers? Let's dive right in and find out how to practice slang effectively with natives and sound more natural while speaking. Practicing with native speakers is the gold standard for language learning, and here's why. 1. Real-time feedback. Native speakers can immediately tell you if a slang term is used correctly or sounds unnatural. 2. Updated vocabulary. Language evolves. With natives, you get to learn the most recent and widely used slang. 3. Context. They can provide the cultural and situational context in which certain slang terms are used. Before diving into how to practice, you need to find native speakers. Here are some strategies. 1. Language exchange platforms. Websites and apps where you teach someone your native language, and in return, they teach you theirs. 2. Local meetups. Search for local language exchange meetups or groups where native English speakers are looking to learn other languages or simply meet new people. 3. Travel. If you're able to, visiting English-speaking countries can immerse you in the language and culture. Once you've found a partner, make the most of your sessions. 1. Role-playing. Create scenarios where slang might be used. For example, act out a casual conversation between friends at a cafe. 2. Ask for corrections. Encourage them to correct you. Mistakes are the pillars of learning. 3. Note down new terms. Always keep a notebook or a digital note-taking app handy. Jot down new slang terms you learn. 4. Use media. Share a short clip or a meme with slang. Ask them to explain it and then practice using it in sentences. Slang can be tricky. Here are some tips. 1. Regional differences. English slang can vary widely between places. A term popular in the UK might be unheard of in the US. Always ask where your partner is from and note regional slang. 2. Appropriateness. Some slang terms might be informal or even offensive in certain contexts. Always ask your partner about the appropriateness of a term. 3. Avoid overusing. Just because it's slang doesn't mean it should be overused. Balance your language to sound more natural. Alright, linguistic adventurers, there you have it. The roadmap to mastering slang and colloquialisms with the help of native speakers. Remember, it's not just about knowing the words, but using them naturally and appropriately. Keep practicing, stay curious, and soon, you'll be slinging slang like a pro. Hope this video was helpful, and until next time, keep learning.